Hello, this is Rosina's Italian Kitchen. We're going to make these artisanal rosemary crackers today. And I'll tell you what I put in. I have a bowl here, and I put in 1 3/4 cups of flour, which I've already done. Here's the flour I put in. And then I have 2/3 cup of water, which I'm going to put in now. Kevin's spoon here. I don't know my spoon. Oh, here it is. I like to make kind of a whale when I mix stuff. Okay, here's my 2/3 cup of water. Dump it in. And then my olive oil, which is 1/4 cup of good olive oil. And the kosher salt. So just a sprinkle, 1/4 teaspoon. And a tablespoon of chopped fresh rosemary. It's much more fragrant if it's fresh. So I'm going to dump it in this well. Then I'm going to mix it. You can also mix it in a KitchenAid mixer or manually, just do it by hand. And then you have to knead it until the dough is pretty smooth. And that's it for now. Now I'm kneading the cracker dough for until it's smooth. I would say about 5 minutes possibly. Then I'm going to cover it with a damp cloth for 20 minutes. It has to relax, I suppose, and then we'll roll it out. So we'll be back for that. So now we've got this log 8 inches long, and I'm going to cut it in 8 equal parts. After we do that, we're going to cut it again in half. Kevin, I rolled I rolled the crackers out, and then I trimmed it, and then I put it here in the cookie sheet. There, ready to bake. Just finished rolling out 1 tray of the crackers, and we're going to bake them at 425 for 10 minutes, I believe. It looks like the crackers are ready, so we're going to take them out of the oven. And here they are. Now I have one of the darker ones. It's crunchier when it's darker. Hear that crunch? Really good. And here they are.